Hello and welcome to Superstruct Builds. Today on the channel we're going to compare the CRL awning window with the Arctic Tern awning window. Here we are, we got both windows side by side. I won't say I was lucky to end up with both of them. I accidentally was shipped the CRL window for my Flare Space flare, and it's not the right one. This is the CRL 1033 awning window. Just a couple of first notes, pulling it out of the box here. Very well packaged. It has a screen built in. It was nicely taped up. I opened this all up before I realized I had gotten the wrong ones. So pretty easy to install, flexible plate which allows a little bit of gap in the install as you kind of put it all together. I was really impressed with this window. One of the things I really liked about it, which if you flip it over you can see, is the way that it matches with the rest of the Sprinter van. It's very much same kind of tent window, looks really great. Unfortunately, my flares are cut for the Arctic Tern window and not this one. So I really like the CRL Lawrence window despite it's July 9th today, and I ordered them about January 15th. So quite the haul to get them, but this was really worth it. I was super excited. Let's switch over to the Arctic Tern. I've already put one of these on the van, so I kind of have an idea what's coming out of here. But Arctic Tern comes with some screws as you'd expect. One thing I noticed is the difference in quality of packaging here. My CRL windows came super sturdy styrofoam. They were rock solid. These Arctic Tern ones, it's all falling apart in there. So it makes a mess of my kitchen. But we're gonna pull this out and take a look at it. One thing I noticed right off the bat is these are not tinted, and they are like an acrylic, some sort of fake glass, so definitely does not feel as substantial. I also don't like the way that this one cranks out as well. The CRL window had a turn crank, which was really convenient. This Arctic Tern has 4 of these latches, so you press the button, twist all 4 of them, and then it pops out and open. The other thing I immediately noticed was no screen with this one, which you can tell by the way the design is. There's not really a lot of affordance for one, but that was kind of disappointing as well, especially after seeing the CRL window. As far as installation, this one went in really easily. It comes with 2 different lengths of screws, so it's got some shorter ones in case you have a shorter distance between the window. And the plate here, the longer screws seem to work just as good for my flares. Hopefully that was helpful. My summary here is if you can get flares with the CRL windows, do it. The Arctic Tern ones I think will do just great for my build, but if I had it to do over again, I think I would want the CRLs. There you have it, some simple opinions on 2 of the most popular van build windows out there. No one paid me to do these. I just ended up with these 2 by chance and thought I would let everyone know what's out there. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.